Hello everyone, my name is Giselle and today we are trying a new style, a different one. I'm doing my hair and my makeup in coquette style, this new trend that is everywhere right now. As I said in my video trying the Leah Halton's makeup, I don't know much about makeup. Like, I do watch a lot of tutorials, I do watch makeup related videos, but I've never practiced it, like put it on practice. But I really want to try different things, and I'm going to start with the coquette style. I really think that this is not gonna be like a big change for me. I'm not going out of my comfort zone that much because I'm a feminine girl, like I believe I am, and this type of makeup is really rosy, it's really feminine, so I think that will suit me. But first I have to make a stop in Primor because I have to buy a makeup palette. You guys know that I only have one, and that one doesn't have like rosy colors, doesn't have like glimmer pink shadows, and I want that. And I know that you can use like your blush and also like a rose gold highlighter, which I have, but I don't know, maybe this is an excuse for me just to buy a new makeup palette. Here are a bunch of makeup palettes, but I don't know which one to buy. One of the things of the coquette style that I totally forgot is these ones, like these ribs. I don't know how they called, but right now I just remember that if I want to do a coquette hairstyle, then I need this one, but I don't know what to buy. Let's start. So I'm here about this Makeup Revolution palette and this SM lip liner. Something that I couldn't find is the ribbons that I want to buy. The ribbons that they have, the colors were ugly, the sizes, like, they were too big. So I'm in a little bit of trouble right now because the coquette's hairstyles are all about the ribbons. I have to make it work, and I'm going to make it work. And I know that right now I don't look coquette, like this is giving homeless tete. I don't know how to say this. I really wanted to make like a full transformation with clothes and also jewelry. You have to wait and see. And the makeup that I want to do is this makeup that this creator has. Sorry for the nails. So it's in something not easy, but something that I could do, that my skills would allow me to do. I'm going to do like the skincare out of camera. So my best friend told me he had hair clips that can work, so I looked for them, and these are the ones that you need. I know that this is not what we were looking for, but I think this is going to work, and we're going to make it work. This might not end up looking like a coquette style, just like I don't know, like infant style, who the fuck knows. I have everything that I need here, and I'm going to start with the primer. I do think that this primer works on my skin because I do see like my face like a little bit blurry and my pores are less noticeable. But I don't know, I've heard bad reviews on this product. I know that also it depends on your skin type. Mine is kind of mixed, but it's more greasy than dry. I just want help on that because I do feel that it works on me. I've noticed that in the coquette style, the eyebrows are kind of very natural and they don't have hard shapes. They're really kind of only brush up a little bit, and that's it. I barely have eyebrow hair, so I think that to me the best thing to do is just at least give them a little shape. While I do my eyebrows, I have to tell you guys about something that it made me feel kind of bad. I saw a TikTok this week about a girl that it was kind of like complaining about her makeup, that her makeup was kind of separated or something like that. She said that it looks ugly and she had to do it again, all over again. And I find it kind of funny because I didn't thought that it looked bad. In fact, my makeup almost all the time looks like that, so I think that was okay, that it was a normal thing for all the products that you put on your face, but apparently not. So I'm going to put a little bit concealer on my eyes and also clean a little bit my eyebrows. They always look a little rough at the beginning. So I'm putting the foundation on. I forgot to record when I start to put in it, I just want to update you guys on what's going on in my life, because I know that I said like in the first video of the year that my 2024 started awfully. What's going on right now is just that I'm looking for a job. I've been in interviews, I've been sending my CV in a lot of places. One of the virtues that I have is that I'm really like optimistic, I'm really positive, and I do trust myself a lot, so I know that I'm going to find one sooner than later. But, you know, sometimes the process sucks, and being in that place where I just send my curriculum and nobody calls me, it doesn't feel very good. But maybe in the next video, the new update is that I finally got a job, so fingers crossed. So she works for concealer here, and also a little bit of in these places. I don't see that she put it in any other places. I think that this style is pretty natural. I'm gonna put it in some spots that I have, like acne scars that I have. She blends it off with a brush, but I don't have a brush, so I would not do that. I would use my beauty blender. I've seen in the video that they don't use like contour or bronzer or something. They just straight up use blush and then set the face. But I am going to use a little bit of this just to give my face a little bit of shape, because I do have a round face. That sound, the chair made that sound. So yes, I'm just going to use a little bit, like slight, just this tiny bit, and that's it. It's just to give a little bit shape to the face and a little bit of color as well, because I think I'm too pale. We're using blush, and she wears blush here where you normally use blush, and also a little bit on the tip of the nose that she puts it with a smaller brush. I have to tell you guys about a series that I want to do. I want to make a series of me trying new hair, and mostly makeup, of course. So like e-girl makeup, like Latina makeup, you know. I don't know how to wear false eyelashes, like I don't know how to put them on, but that's the point, that I have to learn. And I just want to try a bunch of new styles and see if I like them and which style fits me more. Now I have to set my face, and I'm going to do it as I usually do, but not too much product, you know. I would set my under eyes, but with a little bit, and the rest of my face as well, just a little bit. I am going to put a little bit of setting spray on my face to hydrate it a little bit more. Now it's time to blush, and she wears like a little pinky one, and my blush is actually a little darker. Here in this Makeup Revolution palette that I bought is a shade that it's kind of pinkish, so I think that I'm going to make a little bit of both. And I'm going to just put a little bit over here, a little bit in the nose. Maybe I will clean it a little bit with the beauty blender. It's time for the eyes, and I'm a little nervous because I don't know how to do eyes makeup, and I'm also excited because I'm trying this new palette. I think she used a kind of brush like this, like a fluffy brush, to put a pink on the outer corners of the eyes. So let's do that. I think that I'm going to use this shade called Heart Chakra. So yes, kind of pigmented though. It's a little pigmented color, I think. We're trying to make them close relatives, not twins. While I put the eyeshadow, I have to tell you guys that I'm thinking of doing covers, like sun covers. And actually I started my Spanish channel doing covers, not videos. I was thinking it's just doing them again. And maybe also here, it comes the shimmer part. And she uses kind of two shades, like in here, in this part of the eye, she uses kind of whitey one, and in the middle she puts like a pink. So I think that the best thing to do is just put heel here and Karen in the middle. Why? Oh my god, why? I'm such a mess when it comes to eyeliner. Let's clean this up out of camera. We'll fix it a little bit this eye is more messed up than this eye. It's time for highlighter. She used like a champagne-ish one. She puts it in the point of the nose and in the bridge of the nose. You can see her cheeks are a little bit glowy. I don't know if it's because of the blush, but still I'm going to put a little bit. This is the makeup. Now it's time to make the hairstyle that I'm also a little nervous for that, because I usually just wear my hair down and that's it. I am going to look for another hairstyle that could look good with just hair clips that I have, but who knows, let's just see.
Say less cause I'm on the way. See, all you gotta do is wait for me, all you gotta do is wait for me.
So this is the hairstyle. The girl that I was holding her hairstyle, she puts a ribbon here and a ribbon here, and also on this part she puts a ribbon here and another here. What I'm going to do with these is just put them like here, one here, and the other one here. This is it, you guys. This is it. These hair clips are ribbons instead of these hair clips. So just imagine, it's the result of the makeup and hairstyle. Now we have to put our jewelry. We have to put our necklace and our earrings on, and also a t-shirt to be all coquette. You guys, what do you think? Once again, we have to imagine these are ribbons, but yes, I changed my shirt. I put a little necklace on with a heart. I feel really cute actually. I would totally go out like this, totally without this, but like this I could totally go out like this. I feel confident. It turned out to be a lot better than I imagined, so yeah. What do you guys think? Do you like it or not? Tell me in the comments down below. I think that you could also just grab this too and put it like here, like on the back, and also put a ribbon on, and it will look really cute. I think they will look cute with a ribbon, of course. So this is it, you guys. This is all that I want to show you today. What do you think about the makeup? What do you think about the hairstyle? What do you think about the coquette on me? I really like to do this content, so if you guys want me to try style, put it in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also share with this with the people that you think might like my content. Don't forget to follow me in all my social media that I will put right here. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye bye.